Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Bill4Time expense tracking. Bill4Time is a time and expense tracking software that helps professionals and businesses manage their expenses and generate accurate invoices. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to use Bill4Time expense tracking effectively. First, you need to create an account and set up your profile. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Expenses tab where you can add new expenses. To add an expense, click on the Add Expense button and fill in the required details such as date, category, description, and amount. You can also add receipts and notes to support your expenses. Next, you can categorize your expenses into different groups such as travel, meals, or office supplies. This helps you to track and analyze your expenses by category and make informed decisions about your spending. You can also set up expense approval workflows to ensure that all expenses are approved by the relevant authorities before they are billed to clients. To generate reports and invoices, navigate to the Reports tab where you can select the relevant expense categories and date ranges. Bill4Time allows you to generate detailed reports and invoices that can be sent to clients or used for internal accounting purposes. You can also customize the reports and invoices to suit your business needs. Best practices for using Bill4Time expense tracking include regularly reviewing and updating your expenses, setting up automatic expense tracking, and using the mobile app to track expenses on the go. It is also important to ensure that all expenses are accurately recorded and categorized to avoid errors and discrepancies. In conclusion, Bill4Time expense tracking is a powerful tool that helps professionals and businesses to manage their expenses and generate accurate invoices. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can use Bill4Time expense tracking to streamline your expense management processes and improve your financial productivity. Remember to regularly review and update your expenses, set up automatic expense tracking, and use the mobile app to track expenses on the go.